So hello everyone. Thanks for watching. So the thing is, if I'm making those videos, people don't read my newsletter anymore. That's the thing I figured out. So I have to find a solution that maybe I don't read everything from my newsletter, because it would be great to get some subscribers to my newsletter. That would really help a lot. Um, that said, so I'm in Venice. I'm Klaus Stille, a very good friend and great graphic designer. He got commissioned to do the Hong Kong pavilion graphic design at the Venice Biennale, and I help him with that. And today we arrived, and it's read about it in the newsletter. Also, you can read in the newsletter that we're finishing soon a very big project with our Studio 100K, and that I'm back in Midjourney creating crazy images. So maybe there's written more in my newsletter. So take care and goodbye.